Weight loss tip number 4, wake up to a cold splash. To be honest with you, we're not that great with cold exposure. All that talk about ice bath and cold showers and like, bleh, not for us. But we started doing this one thing and it's been great.
Splash your face with very cold water when you wake up.
Or just be one of those people, that goes swimming either in the pool or in the sea first thing in the morning.
Some people like to do this anyway because it wakes them up and makes them feel invigorated and ready to tackle whatever the day may bring, but it also does something else.
Extreme cold exposure, even if it's just splashing your face with cold water in the morning, puts your body into a shock and forces it to release adrenaline.
This is especially useful first thing in the morning when you're in that fasted state from the night. Why? Because the adrenaline released will interact more easily with beta-adrenergic receptors on fat cells.
The interaction of adrenaline with beta-adrenergic receptors means lipolysis, you are breaking fat, and also first thing in the morning your blood flow favors belly fat, so this is an ideal opportunity.
It may not amount to a lot, but it's a little something you can do for nothing every day and feel better for it. Try it yourself, and if you have any friends at all, share this video with them and get them to do it too.
Thanks for watching. For more weight loss tips like this, visit our YouTube channel or head over to bellyproof.com/tips.